Sheboygan Church is getting their stolen musical handbells back just in time for the holidays. Prosecutors say the bells were stolen more than a year ago by a church elder, David Neese, who's been charged with the theft. New at 6, 12 News' Nick Bohr is live in Sheboygan with how the bells are making their way back home.
And Kathy, the 4 cases of musical handbells were long gone from the First Presbyterian Church here in Sheboygan. They were last used at the Christmas service in 2011. But an online buyer with a conscience did a little bit more digging and realized his new bells were hot. First Presbyterian Church in Sheboygan likely never thought they'd see their $10,000 handbells similar to these again. They disappeared from a locked cabinet at the church more than a year ago. But last week, a California man who bought them on eBay found the church's name inside and called the pastor. A police investigation led to criminal charges against a church elder, 57-year-old David Neese of Sheboygan. Prosecutor Joel Ermansky charged Neese with felony theft.
He takes the time and effort to go to various different pawn shops around the state, and then suddenly someone buys them off of a site in California, and lo and behold, here's a identifier for the church inside of them, which makes it pretty easy for officers to then link who's responsible.
Neese was home when we stopped by, and though he didn't wish to talk about it, when I asked him whether he was still a church elder, Neese said I should talk to the pastor about that. I was able to reach the pastor this evening, who told me it's an issue they're still working through with Neese and that the church still supports him despite the theft charge. But the prosecutor says what happened is pretty clear and a message should be sent.
And he decides to take advantage of the church by using his position, knowledge, authority to take them. So that's one side that's extremely aggravated.
And Neese remains free on bail. He has another court date next week. Reporting live here in Sheboygan, Nick Bohr, WISN 12 News.